I feel happy, and I feel like it's going to be a sunny day. I can smell wood and wet. I can hear animal noises, loud monkey noises like an aeroplane is ready to take off. I can taste something delicious, bananas as sweet as a sweet potato. Cute, baby, beautiful monkeys are clever because they know everything. If I ask them where they are, they will say, "In the jungle." If you ask them where their cousins are, they will say, "In the tree." And if you ask them where the bananas are, they will say, "In their bellies." Later, I will go and play with my friend's baby and get food. I will go to find bananas and go to my cousins to play with them. Finally, I will go to sleep. I like sleeping because it's relaxing and like I'm flying in the sky.